Hello all, I am Dr. Prafulla Bafna from Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, Symbiosis International University. Today I will be presenting about predicting health and financial stability based on goal setting status using classification techniques. So there are some points which needs to be understood before understanding this research. Goal setting impact. Goal setting impact is something which has different parameters, and whenever we set a goal, whether it is long term goal or short term goal, different types of parameters affect that goal. For example, when we are setting goal related to the any technical work or any project, then we are having some timelines, time bounds, some WBS charts. So depending upon that, the goal will be set. Now we have studied or we have considered 15 parameters related to the goal settings, and then the topic talks about there are different types of challenges if you consider health and financial status. So for normal human being, it's important to have financial status as considerably above average, and even health considerably above average. So for that purpose, what we have done is we have taken 15 parameters, and then we have tried to predict that what should be the value of these parameters so that there will be a better health and financial status. So when we are talking about literature review, there are different parameters and measures which are necessary to have satisfied health and financial situations. So all these parameters are being studied, and then based on the literature, 15 parameters are being found out, which majorly affects your goal setting and in turn your financial and health status. In research methodology, you can see the diagram in which first the data set of goal setting parameters was considered, then classifiers which are suitable for that data are being implemented, then those classifiers are being evaluated, and then the comparative analysis of the implemented classifiers is being done. The 15 parameters that I am talking about are there in front of you. So experimental work start from the data collection. So these are the 15 parameters which are considered when you are setting your goal. So clarity and focus, motivation, measurable progress, time management, increased productivity, better decision making, personal growth, enhanced self-esteem, resilience, improved relationships, financial stability, health and well-being, long-term vision, sense of achievement and happiness and fulfillment. So these are the common 15 parameters which are related to your work status. So when you are working under some project, so what is your clarity and focus about that project? Are you really motivated? Have you understood its time management? Are you considering it with respect to the productivity? Some decision making in that project, if it comes, then how you are handling it. So like these the parameters are being arranged. Now you can see in SCBM support vector machine classification plot, you can see the first two parameters are considered as x-axis and y-axis, and then the plot is produced which shows the direct relationship between x1 and x2. After experimental work, evaluation of the classifier is being done, and you can see here that average silhouettes width is 0.46, and according to the literature of silhouettes width, the positive silhouettes width leads to better classification. Now silhouettes plot here is 0.64. Again for 13 records this plot is being put, and this is 0.64. It means that a positive relation exists for that silhouettes plot. Now this is the distance matrix which is produced by KNN classifier, in which you can see three parameters as an example, that clarity and focus, motivation and measurable progress. So again, these three parameters are there from the 15 parameters that we have considered. So as an example, these three parameters are being taken, and you can see different classes represented in different types of colors. So you can see there green color, black color, purple color and red color. So four types of classes are being produced, and these classes represents different types of values. Those will be used for the prediction of the health and financial status. Now, along with Silet's coefficient, KNN and SVM are evaluated using sensitivity and precision. So you can see here for different data set sizes what is sensitivity and precision. So SVM performs better. Even in the silhouettes plot, we have observed that SVM's silhouettes width was more. So it means that SVM has better accuracy with respect to sensitivity and precision for this particular experiment. So as in conclusion, we can say that different parameters measures which are necessary to have satisfied and health financial situation, those parameters, values or parameters, measures or quantification we have suggested. Then as we have compared KNN and SVM, we can see that SVM has better accuracy with respect to precision, recall, silhouettes plot, silhouettes width, etc. And then just now we have considered only two algorithms which were most suitable, but then now deep learning algorithms or more accurate algorithms can be implemented. All these are references you can see, and thank you so much.